Alright, behold. The main thing. What do I always come here for? Strawberry jelly. Strawberry jelly, and of course, we got the best mouthwash in town. But let me show you. This is what makes it so good, alright? You have peanut butters. You have the jellies. Smuckers, all the way from the US. But they never have the strawberries. So I have to settle for red raspberry, which is disappointing. But, you know, beggars can't be choosers. So the three things that I always come for, you know, is my peanut butter and jelly runs, right? Best peanut butter, of course, is Jif. But of course, they always have the extra peanut, the extra crunchy, which I hate. Which makes me have to go to this one right here, which is a disappointment. I wish they would get the extra smooth, extra creamy. And then of course, this stuff right here. This stuff is so good. So we make a trip all the way to this place just to get this two things right here. If you're wondering where I wear a mask, because I just like to mess up people. Since the security guards give me weird looks, I try to look suspicious and weird myself, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, one of these days there's gonna be a strawberry one in here. And I don't see one. But one of these days, they got strawberry preserve from the Golden Farm. I have no idea what that is. But yeah, alright, so we got what we needed. Let's get out of here. Peanut butter and jelly run, just remember, it's this right here. And you're probably wondering where I'm at. I'll tell you more about that later. Alright, bye-bye.